Hey YouTube, this is Print Practical. Currently, I'm sitting in my wife and I's walk-in closet, and my wife has this shoe rack that is broken. It doesn't even open anymore, so we're going to fix this today and probably 3D print some parts to make it work. Alright, so this is looking at the good side, and you can see it's got this plastic piece that has a screw in it. Looking at the other side, it looks like that's broken out. So we got this shoe rack from my mom, and it looks like it's missing this piece on the one side, which is causing the whole shoe rack tray to fall out. Alright, so we have the old piece and the new 3D printed piece. They look pretty much identical. So let's reassemble this thing. So that was a giant fail. I printed out this piece, installed it in the shoe rack, everything was working fine. I opened and closed it like 10 times, everything was good. I went to shoot the outro of the video, and I pulled it open, and the whole drawer just ripped right out. What the f? It turned out that the screw that goes into the base that's in the cabinet stripped out, and the whole thing just pulled out. So now I'm going to design that piece as well, and I'm going to just print out a whole new set, and then we'll reassemble the shoe rack. Alright, so we have the new inserts installed in both sides here. That wraps up this project. It just shows that a 3D printer in 20 minutes of time, you could fix a lot of things around your house. If you like what you saw here, subscribe and comment down below anything else you want me to fix or design, and I'll try and do it.